Einstein realized, and Poincaré too, and it's hard to get the history right while you're trying to explain the idea at the same time, that the only possible way in which a person moving and a person standing still could measure the speed to be the same was that their sense of time and their sense of space are not the same, that the clicking clocks inside the spaceship are ticking at a different speed than they are in the ground, and so forth. Of course you say, yeah, but if the clock is ticking, I look at the clock in the spaceship and I see it's going slow. No, your brain is going slow too. So by making sure that everything went just so inside the spaceship, it was possible to cook up a system by which in the spaceship it would look like 186,000 spaceship miles per spaceship second, whereas it looks like 186,000 my miles in my seconds at the same thing. It's a very ingenious thing to be able to do. It turns out remarkably enough to be possible. I mentioned already one of the consequences of this principle of relativity, that you cannot tell how fast you're moving in a straight line.